Withdraw that ara. I say withdraw that ara. Withdraw that ara from camera here. Withdraw that ara from camera and withdraw it back. Withdraw it. Pranga bia wura ara be berem na screen ga.
Ndo.
We got white. Look at Kurumonto gear. Look your car different color of light take away. Or his bianga bia berem na screen.
Ndo.
The way for na laga la ramazo chile ka bangoko. The way for na la ramazo. Pranga parikana bia berem na screen. Hey, come on, subscribe or that please. So can subscribe or chile ka bangoko. Subscribe or like ya share ya. Awara ya bang. E watch it ya get bank you just know what ya taku share the game for what? Subscribe or for this place chile ka bangoko. This girl. Pa furu no mara na ibu ginga. Pa fara ni ibu. Okay, Bianga, you might say, we have camera. Can we boogie tea mara? Huh? At the root edge. Oh, yeah, cut that tag and Dara. I say, remove that tag and Dara, remove it. Yeah. You can remove ya. You can remove the tag and Dara. I say, remove it, cut or ya cut. Branga barata gendara Bianga. Oku ke da kwambia na ego tran no ka denge. Gini mena. Eh?
Oh, to all this.
Attention, cross straight. Look at. Then we go post to no Bianga Bianer. Then Gisha, Yamam Toshi, Petampe, the Chantacre. Mwai begin Gahasha, Yamam Gabian, no Yeko, or Ni Pant. Ye Barabianga. Let her prempe each and know who watch him a brave maybe. Look at. Gahe yichanga time after that. Come closer. Look at. Oya barago kunike. Eh?
Mba.
Oya piragi miro kumba mono. Lonya piranya aka. That what are you?
Oh, man.
Eh? Piranya like this. Yeah, when I can pick it here, boy like this. Turn asoge. Telero san. Hey, wogan.
Ike.
Eh?
Ike.
See here we kick our Otele.
Otele.
Eh?
Otele.
I give a jog cage and Emirates. Eh? Got in front. Got front of Prahe, got front in your hunger. Prahe got front. I give a jog cookie. Eh? If I hear now, Lubedi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That was a phone again. Chamaka, they're full.
23.
That's what again.
Bishop, good afternoon.
Then I let her wish shot chicken.
Mba chiga nkwa much.
By no fan, no bugedia.
Mba your fan. Bishop.
Ask me by no fan kugedia.
Okay. Agbanyụọla m ya.
Ị dị afọ ole?
22.
Ịdị 22.
Yes,
Gị
sir.
na onye bi? Gị na onye bi?
Naanị m.
Ka ihe mere naanị gị ji biri?
Because I'm adult.
Ịwa adult.
Mm.
Ọ gị na-take care of yourself?
Yes.
Ọ gị na-enye onwe gị nri?
Yes.
Ị nọghị school?
Not school.
Ị nọ school? Onye kpụgara gị school fees? Onye kpụgara gị school fees?
Network. Bishop is singing.
Onye kpụgara gị school fees?
I'm a photographer.
Ele school na ị nọ?
IMSU. I'm a lifestyle photographer.
Ewo gịnị?
A lifestyle photographer.
Like a lifestyle photographer.
I'm na-ese picture.
Ị na-ese m picture? Ị chọrọ ise m picture nga m nọ nga ugbu a. Ajụwa m ga-ele ihe ego a na school.
Public health.
Public health. Elekwala ihe ifugharị ga kamera. Chọrọ ise m picture na gịnị mere? Wepụta trọpụta kamera.
Ka m gwa gị ihe mmege. Emejuga m naanị m bi ka m gwa gị ihe mmege. M ji biri naanị m.
Nse gị trọpụta tịrị bịara nga bi ile anya na comment section.
Okay, adrọpụla m ya, sir. Adrọpụla m ya.
Ị nọ university. Lee onye kwụgara gị school fees na university.
Mommy m na daddy m.
Guess na ịwọla grown up. What year ka ị nọ na university?
200 level.
Ka ihe ego ga?
Public health.
What is public health?
Public health has to do with women, and then it's a medical cause.
What is listen to me? Ke hari me we na define a public health akwe one adult. Only if the edit is going on 200 level at 22 years now. Define a public health. Ye tu keno. Ega be fa. E segam hello. Nwa binge segam hello. Define your public health.
Network I do not compound.
Define your public health.
Also, public health is a medical cause.
Define your public health. As again, define your public health. Nwa bingo.
Bishop, job here basara photography biko.
Okay, what is a pronoun?
Okay,
what is a pronoun?
A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun.
Then, okay, gaga school, and in school they go okay more public health. Then gaga school they say photo now. You don't know what public health is, eh? Science and art of protecting and improving the health of entire community is called what?
Public health.
Okay, Kamjua.
Public health, sir.
Then you cannot then mwanaga school na no him na just na I define is rigi what public health is. Mwana no him na gwazigi what public health is.
Thank you, sir.
I Google money. It's my Google it. Mnonga na Google lawyer with phone. Oh, a very simple something. Ijumole.
Ejimumu. Nka de sengo amube mumu.
Amube
mumu.
Eka de sengo. Kebish not watch him.
Owere.
For your information, y'all know a graduate here, a grad school. Game on your fma. A grad school. And when a course I like a career eBay as borrowed course. And a me borrowed course and a me borrowed course but he me borrowed course and when some subject I like it. So all pattern to knowledge of all these things. A pattern here basra mathematics amahum. You got that? Equal here basra psychology nga all borrowed course. Equal here basra business admin and management nga all borrowed course. They be an 4 piece of marketing nga and when 4 when 7 piece. All borrowed course. How many years I want to happen school? When you know 200 level brain ya kwese na anoko. Ge bia nga bia agwam sem na
all business mmeri shima na
damn you chile ka ba.
Nwere studio n'ike na-egwu egwu, nwere studio.
Damn you.
Yes sir.
Say damn you. Imana that no school ke chore ga school. Imana that na chore ga school. No business ke chore me business. Awe pataga na conscience.
Yes sir.
Aya, were phone goes up on pag na magwa na no na life na icho ka make interview. Call Harry we che kuro maka m kwushi school. Oya, call them for phone with the other phone. Oya.
Mommy m nọ n'ahịa ugbu taa wa ahịa anyị. Mommy m ga-anọ n'ahịa and daddy m gara ọrụ.
Asenge kpọm mage ma oge kpọm page say na ibra na nke husband 001. Now because all ham when you listen to me. Nima beginner, you think you are a grown-up girl. You are not a grown-up girl. You are not the one paying your school fees. You are not yet an adult. An adult is somebody who obtain or not. So far, you are not. You are still under somebody's care. Lady 22 years does not mean you are an adult. That means you are now a free woman.
But Bishop, I can acquire some of my bills. No.
That does not make you a grown-up and an adult person. What bingo? In our some of which
all their responsibility to go school.
Not their responsibility. Not their responsibility. The man and Magan and Paget decide that I got school, they got school.
Major business to go school.
I sang them you, Chileka Bagoko.
Yes, sir.
A man in Nigeria would a good country. A man no responsibility, government in Nagat Pagan and Maget task to take care of your educational level. Are we Maget? If saw their responsibility. In one opportunity, Negan Nagi Digi school. Do you thank your God, Negan school, how quag is working at school? Go and study. Don't come back here. Keep watching.